And direct and indirect speech. I hope this part is clear to you. Let's see once again. This is reporting verb and this is reported speech. Whenever reported verb is in past tense, then you have to do changes in reported speech. If reporting verb is in present or future tense, in that case you will only add conjunction that and there will be no changes in reported speech. I have taught you changes of tenses and changes of pronoun. Now let's understand rule number 7, how to change the words. Okay, whenever you see these words, this side, these words in reported speech, in that case you have to change these words into these words. See how you will change. Now becomes then, this becomes that, these becomes those, tomorrow becomes the next day, yesterday the day before, last night the night before. Here becomes there, ago becomes before, today becomes that day. Like whenever you see changes, whenever you see these words in reported speech, then in that case you will change these words into this. Children, write down this rules in your rough copy. Now, then, this, that, these, those, here, there, ago, before, today, that day, tomorrow, the next day, yesterday, the day before, last night, the night before, last week, the week before. Write down these rules in your rough copy. Children, let's understand with some more examples. I said these mangoes are sweet. This is reported verb. It is clear to you. This is reported speech. This is also clear to you. You have to replace inverted commas with conjunction that. This is also clear to you. So, I said that. These will change into those. Mangoes are sweet. Simple present will change into simple past. Those mangoes were sweet. He said to me, I finished the work long ago. Said to will change into told. Inverted commas will change into that. So he told me. You will copy that. I is first person pronoun. So you have to do changes according to subject. Subject is he. So he told me that he had finished the work long. Simple present change into past perfect. Finished, had finished. Ago, before. So it will become, he told me that he had finished the work long before. Hari said, the boy is here. Hari said that the boy was there. Here will change into there. Simple present change into simple past. He said, Ali may come tomorrow. He said, then replace inverted commas with conjunction that. He said that Ali may will change into might. Might come, tomorrow becomes the next day. Gopal said tomorrow is a fine day. Gopal said that today becomes that day. So Gopal said that that day was a fine day. Mohan said I will go to Delhi tomorrow. Mohan said that this is a first person pronoun. So you have to do changes according to subject. Mohan said that he will change into would go to Delhi tomorrow becomes the next day. Is it clear to you, children? Raman said I went to the cinema last night. So Raman said that same. I is first person, so you have to do changes according to subject of reported verb. Raman said that he, simple past change into past perfect. Past perfect is had. So, when is had gone to the cinema last night, change it to the night before. See, it is very easy. Only you have to understand the rules of tenses, rules of pronoun and rules of changes in the words. Then very nicely you will be able to change direct to indirect and you will not do any mistake. She said this happened yesterday. She said that and this change into that. Again 2 times that because here you are replacing inverted commas with that and here this change into that. She said that happened yesterday becomes the day before and happened simple past change into past perfect. So it will become she said that that had happened the day before. Taught you till now. Rules of tenses, rules of pronoun. Now another rule that you have to change the words if you see these words in reported speech. It is very clear to you that this is reported word and this is reported speech. Now how I have told you how to change. If you will see this is in past tense and reported word first you will see this is in past tense, that means you have to change this. Now how you will do? First you will copy this. John said. Now you have to replace inverted commas with conjunction that. Now this is pronoun. This is first person pronoun. So in first person pronoun I have told you rule that you have to see subject of reported word. This is subject. So you have to change according to this. So John said that he. Okay. Now this is simple present tense. Simple present will change to simple past. So he was busy. And now we change into then. Is that clear to you children? Now see the next one. He said, I have seen this girl. Now how you will change? He said, same you will copy. Because reported verb is in past tense. After that, he said that. Conjunction that. Now you can see pronoun. This one is pronoun. First person pronoun. So you have to do changes according to subject. He said that he. Have will change to have. Present perfect, past perfect. Had seen. This will change into that girl. Now I think it is clear to you. Mohan said, I will go to Delhi tomorrow. Mohan said. Same you will copy. You have to of course change this. This is reported word. This is reported speech. I is first person pronoun. First person. In that case you have to see subject. You have to do changes according to subject. So Mohan said that he will change into would go to Delhi. Tomorrow becomes the next day.